I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Tuesday, July 29th. Soybeans and corn both ended the session lower, seeing another round of pressure from the generally favorable crop weather in much of the Midwest and Plains. That is not to say that there are not some areas of concern, including some recent dryness in parts of the region, along with some storms overnight in parts of the northern Corn Belt. But at this stage, again, both corn and soybeans looking to be in pretty good shape overall, and the trade seems to be expecting big crops for both. Wheat closed lower. Chicago and Kansas City continue to keep an eye on the last fifth of this year's U.S. winter wheat harvest, along with some global harvest activity. Meanwhile, Minneapolis was down with good crop conditions in parts of the northern U.S. plains. That's canceling out some of the concerns about conditions in the northwestern plains. Still, again, Minneapolis is going to be assessing some possible spring wheat damage from recent storms. Live and feeder cattle ended the session higher, supported by optimism about this week's direct cash cattle business. Asking prices have surfaced to $235 plus on the live basis, nothing yet for the dress basis, and no bids are being reported. Box beef was lower at midday, but again, not enough to break the cash optimism, which is generally connected to tighter supplies. And hogs closed lower. Cash business was steady to lower during the session, and even if pork was up at midday, there are a lot of concerns about sustained demand. With the closing market minute for Tuesday, July 29th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.